Hi, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to block certain websites on your network using the Huawei Wi-Fi AX3. Alright, the first thing is you will need the administrator password to log in. So I'm just going to log into the router. Now you'll get this screen, and on the side here it says More Functions. Click the More Functions option. On the left hand side it says Security Settings. Open the tab. Scroll down to where it says Parental Control. Over here, it gives you two options. The first one is Internet Access Time Limit. I'm not focusing on that. I'm focusing on website filtering. So it's a bit further down. Over here, I have some websites that I've already added to the list. I'm going to quickly demonstrate what to do. You say plus. You put in the website address that you want to block. Say, for example, you want to block some social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, or adult websites. I'm just going to do an example using TikTok. And then there's an option here which says enable on selected devices. You can actually block certain websites for only certain devices. For example, if I click on that, it's giving me some devices in my network, and obviously if I scroll down I will find more. So you could also selectively block websites for certain users on your network. And then I'd click on this user over here and I would say okay. If you want to block it for all users, then I switch this off, and then it is now going to be blocked for all users once I say okay. So I already have a long list of sites here, so I'm just going to go to the bottom one which says tiktok.com. That is the one I've just added, and there notice that it is toggled to the on position, meaning it's asking me, do I want to block the website? It says enable, toggle it on or toggle it off. So in this case, I'm just going to scroll down, and there is the website I'm blocking called tiktok.com, and it is now blocked. This works almost immediately and you don't have to restart the router. For example, if I go to the address tiktok.com and notice that it is blocked, it is not allowing me access to TikTok. So it is not giving me access to the website. Notice that if I want to switch it off, so that means I'm now opening access for all users on the network. I toggle it to the left, and now it is in my list but off, meaning that the filter is not applied. And if I go back to TikTok and I relaunch the page, notice immediately we can see TikTok coming up. So this works pretty quickly. So you can just keep adding websites that you want to block. You can keep adding it to your list and it'll keep adding it to the bottom here. And if I try and go to that website, and there it has blocked Facebook, and if I want to turn that off, I can just say off. And there we go. So now if I go back to Facebook, it will work. So there you can go and add any website that you would like to block. But just note that even if you try and block, say for example, tiktok.com, a person on your network who's using a mobile phone using an app will probably still be able to circumvent. They'll still be able to get to TikTok because of the associated domains, which are also linked with that site, for example. And there's quite a few. If you're trying to block TikTok on a mobile device from an app, you'll have to really go and find all the associated domains in order to block them. And it will probably end up blocking some of your other sites as well. So that's just a tip. If you're trying to control the view from mobile apps, it's a little bit more difficult than just adding the website here. But you'll just need to go and check for the associated domains, and you'll have to add that to the list. All right, thanks for watching and cheers.